Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hashir Mehmood and I'm a student at Rehan School Foundation. And today I will be giving a review on Iqra Khilji's uh, TED Talk. But before we do that, first I will give a short introduction about Iqra. Iqra Khilji is a climate activist, poet, and speaker from Pakistan. She raises awareness about climate change and encourages people to take action to protect the environment. Through her talks and poetry, she inspires others to think about their responsibility towards the planet. Moving on to her TED Talk. In this TED Talk, Iqra Khilji really cuts through the usual noise about climate change by focusing on something we don't talk about enough. Our own psychology. She explains that for most of us, denial isn't actually about not believing science. It is more like a choice we make to keep our lives comfortable. She describes it as a kind of socially organized denial where we know the world is in trouble, but we keep living our day to day lives as if everything is fine because facing the truth is too inconvenient. One of the most striking parts of her talk is when she touches on the hypocrisy of privilege. She points out how people in wealthier positions often preach environmental solutions that just don't work for the poor. Even though those same wealthy individuals often have bigger carbon footprints, it's a bit of a reality check. She shifts the focus to the real victims, farmers and forest dwellers who didn't cause this mess but are the ones losing their homes and livelihoods to floods and droughts. Right now, she has this haunting phrase for the next generation, calling them inheritors of chaos. It really hits home because it frames the crisis not just as a weather problem, but as a massive moral failure towards the end. She moves away from facts and figures and uses poetry to speak directly to the heart. It's her way of saying that statistics haven't worked to wake us up. So maybe emotion will. Her message is pretty clear. We can't keep hiding behind the excuse that it's too late or it is too hard, while the most vulnerable people are already paying the price for our comfort. I hope you guys learned something from this review and realize that climate change is a bad thing and we should avoid it at all cost. We will meet again tomorrow. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.